Jai Hind, hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel Gurukul E-School, where today, on 70th birthday of our respected Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, we have brought for you a brief description of his life, his political career, and his achievements. So, let's begin.
Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi is not only a leader of BJP, but he is also the person who lives in the heart of millions of people of India and across the world. Today, on his 70th birthday, we are telling you the history of him in reaching the top stage of country from his tough childhood, a struggle in young age with many conflicts in his political career. Narendra Modi was born on 17th September 1950 in a lower middle class Gujarati Hindu family in Vadnagar, Gujarat, which was in the Mehsana district of Bombay state at that time. His father's name was Damodar Das Moolchand Modi and mother's name is Hiraben. In childhood, he helped his father to sell tea and he later ran a tea stall with his brother. At the age of 8, he got associated with the organization Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS). Modi was married with Jasoda Bain in 1968. He left his home due to his child marriage. He just passed high school at that time. He travelled many religious centers around all over India. Once, he went to Swami Vivekanand Belur Mutt in Kolkata, where he wanted to become a preacher. But due to his less qualification, the organization denied to keep him there. In 1971, he came back to Gujarat and became a full-time worker of RSS. In 1975, when a state of emergency was imposed, he was forced to hide and he hid his identity by dressing up as a Sardar. In 1987, RSS assigned him to the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP). He held several positions in the party to reach the General Secretary of the party. In between, he completed his studies through open learning and completed BA and MA in political science. In 1990, Somnath to Ayodhya Ram Rath Yatra by L.K. Advani for Ram Mandir and Kanyakumari to Kashmir Ekta Yatra by Murli Manohar Joshi for One Constitution and One Flag was mainly organized and managed by Narendra Modi. In 2001, BJP lost several seats in Gujarat by elections due to conflicts in party members of Gujarat. And Chief Minister of Gujarat, Keshubhai Patel, who resigned due to health reasons, Atal Bihari Vajpayee nominated Modi for CM of Gujarat. He took oath on 7th October 2001 as CM. He won his first election from Rajkot 2nd constituency by election on 24th February 2002. On 27th February 2002, a train full of Karya Sevak from Ayodhya was burnt near Godhra, Gujarat, in which about 60 people died. Modi made a public statement that it was a terrorist attack planned and orchestrated by local Muslims. The next day, Vishwa Hindu Parishad called a shutdown across the state. The riots began in all over the Gujarat as the victims' corpses came from Godhra to Ahmedabad. As per government figures, approx 1,000 people were killed in this incident from both Muslims and Hindu communities. Modi government imposed curfew in 26 major cities and called the CRPF and army to control the situation. Modi was blamed to not control the situation, although Modi said that The way in which he had handled the media was his only regret regarding the episode. On 19th July 2002, Modi resigned with the consent to his cabinet. In December 2002, BJP won 127 seats out of 182 seats of Gujarat Assembly in supervision of Modi, and he became the Chief Minister again. Since then, he was the CM till 2014. Narendra Modi first term was called a Hindutva agenda, but in the second term, it turned to the development of Gujarat. Many projects and industries were opened in Gujarat where foreign investments came, and it became a Gujarat model of development. Modi was criticized for Gujarat rights all over India and outside India, and he faced many investigations for it. And questions about his relationship with Muslims were also raised by the Western countries. He was denied by the US for visa. United Kingdom and European Union refused to admit him in the country. In September 2013, Narendra Modi was nominated by BJP's President Rajnath Singh as the PM candidate for 2014 Lok Sabha election. Many BJP leaders and NDA leaders opposed his candidature. Nitish Kumar led JDU left the NDA. Modi campaigned this election very wisely. He focused on corruption scandals of Congress party, showed his development model of Gujarat, and Hindutva a significant part of his campaign. BJP won the 31% of vote and 282 seats in Lok Sabha. Modi won his both seats, Varanasi from UP and Vadodara, Gujarat. Aam Aadmi Party's Arvind Kejriwal and Congress Party's Madhusudan Mistry were the losers. So, the Narendra Modi became the Prime Minister of India on 26 May 2014. In 2019, he was again nominated as the BJP candidate for PM, and BJP won 303 seats in this Lok Sabha election, and total 353 seats with his alliances as NDA, and Narendra Modi became again PM on 30th May 2019. Now, many hard and tough decisions by Modi government. In 2014, abolishment of Planning Commission and made a new Niti Aayog to make policy. Government launched investigations against numerous civil society organizations and foreign NGO through IB. Modi repealed 1200 obsolete laws. Modi started a monthly radio program Man Ki Baat on 3rd of October 2014 to connect with the public. Modi launched many schemes such as Digital India, Ujjwala scheme, Jan Dhan bank account scheme, etc. for public in the first tenure. On 30th July 2019, Parliament declared Muslim triple talaq as illegal. In August 2019, government scrapped Article 370 and organized Jammu and Kashmir and made two union territories, Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. In 2020, Ayodhya case was resolved by the Supreme Court, and PM Modi attended the ceremony of starting the building of Sri Ram Mandir. On 9th November 2016, Modi declared demonetization of Rs 500 and 1000 notes. Modi government put goods and services tax since 1st of July 2017 as a tax. That is the biggest tax reform.
मेरी धरती मुझसे पूछ रही कब मेरा कर्ज चुकाओगे?
मेरा गंबर मुझसे पूछ रहा कब अपना धर्म निभाओगे?
मैंने वचन दिया भारत माँ को, वचन दिया भारत माँ को, तेरा शीश नहीं झुकने दूंगा।
सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, ये देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, ये देश नहीं
झुकने दूंगा।
Now there are some facts about Modi that you will need to know. Narendra Modi is ambidextrous. He uses his left hand to eat and write with the right hand. He was born a left-handed, but he made it by his zeal to use right. Narendra Modi always wakes up at 5 a.m. no matter when he goes to bed. He is a religious person and he fasts for the entire period of Navratri.
मैं उतने उजाले
He is vegetarian and does not smoke or consume alcohol.
इतनी रात बढ़ाएंगे।
In his childhood, he was hit by a crocodile's tail during swimming in the lake and got 9 stitches on his left foot. He is also a poet and he wrote many poems and books in Gujarati such as Kahu Ke Vasan, Gyano Garbo, book called Sakshi Bhav, etc. He wears clothes of Jet Blue factory of Ahmedabad. He always wears non-freeze clothes. Narendra Modi never took a leave from the work as a CM or even now as a PM. Narendra Modi is the first Prime Minister to be born in the independent India. Narendra Modi is considered most techno-savvy leader of India, who is active on all social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google+, Twitter, etc.
I hope you liked the video. Please give us your feedback in the comment section and do like, share and subscribe to our channel if you are new. Jai Hind.
ये देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, ये देश नहीं झुकने